Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be showing you how to increase your FPS. This guide will basically benefit every game you play. I always do these steps every time I optimize someone's computer and even my own. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and make sure you subscribe for more epic content. Simply go to your Windows settings, click on apps, click on apps and features, and uninstall any applications that you don't use at all. So for example, if you don't use Paint, then you can simply uninstall it. Next, you want to disable background apps. If you're on Windows 10, just simply go to your search and type in background apps, and then there should be a setting that will take you to it, and then you can simply turn off the whole thing. If you're on Windows 11, click on the three dots to a specific application, click on advanced options, and there should be a setting where you can turn off the app from running in the background. Next, you should turn off all startup apps. So simply just go to your apps setting, click on startup, and then turn off every single app that's on. This will dramatically decrease your computer's boot up time. Next, what you're going to have to do is go to your privacy and security, click on general, and make sure all these four settings are turned off. This will prevent Windows from collecting information from you. After you turn off all four of these settings, go back, go to inking and typing personalization, and make sure this is turned off. Also go back, go to diagnostic and feedback, click on tailored experience, make sure that is off. Once you turn that off, go back to privacy and security, click on activity history, uncheck these two settings and click clear to remove auto cache. And yeah, that's it for the privacy. Next, what you should do is turn off Xbox Game Bar. Simply click on Gaming, click on Xbox Game Bar, and make sure that is turned off. After you turn that off, go back, click on Game Mode, and make sure that is turned on. Turning this on is pretty much self-explanatory. Now, what we're going to do is go to our graphics settings. So if you're on Windows 10, just simply click on Graphics and click on Change Default Graphics Settings. If you're on Windows 10, just go to your search, type in Graphics, and there should be a setting that will take you to it. Make sure you have both of these settings on. This will definitely give you a performance increase. One last setting to change in your Windows settings, go to your Windows Update, click on Advanced Options, click on Delivery Optimizations, and make sure this is turned off. After you're done changing your Windows settings, you want to go to your search, type in Adjust, and if you see Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows, you just click on it. In this setting, first click on Adjust for the best performance, and then click on these 5 settings that are checked. Now what you should do is disable full screen optimizations to your application. So if you don't know where your game is installed, you can just simply run it. I'm opening Minecraft for example. Just type in Task Manager in your search bar if you don't know where to go. Right click on your game, click on Open File Location. You see the application that is highlighted. You right click it, you click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and then you check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. While we're still here, you can click on Change High DPI Settings and check the override high DPI scaling behavior. This will make your game more responsive if you're playing on full screen. Now you're going to delete your temporary files. Just go to your search, type in run, and in your run, type in %temp %. You click on OK, and then you select all the files inside of this folder, you right click it, and you delete. After you sent the files into the recycling bin, go back to your run, type in temp without the %. Just go to it, highlight everything that's in it, Control A, and then you just delete. And that's pretty much it. You can just go to your recycling bin and you empty the recycling bin. There you go. Now what you're going to do is go to your search again, type in Registry. You go to your Registry editor application. You click on yes, paste the search I put in the description. So you would delete everything that's in it, and you paste the search command I put in the description. After you paste it, you press enter, and if you see AllowTelemetry, click on it. Anything that is not 0, you get rid of it, and you replace the value data to 0. What this does is that it literally prevents Microsoft from gathering information from you. You can tell by going to your settings, click on privacy security, and go back to your diagnostic and feedback. You'll get this saying your organization prevents sending diagnostic data to Microsoft. This will help increase your FPS in game. If you are using an Nvidia graphics card, go to your Nvidia control panel. You just right click, and if you see Nvidia control panel, you just click on it. Go to your adjust image setting with preview. You click on the third setting, and you make sure your slider is all the way to performance, and you click on apply. Go to your manage 3D settings. You scroll down all the way to texture filtering quality. make sure that is set to high performance. Scroll a little bit up and you'll see power management mode. There's an option that can let you set the power to prefer maximum performance, but I recommend not doing this globally because what this does is it'll increase the heat output, like making your graphics card hotter, and that's not ideal if you live in a hot environment. So what I recommend is that if you want to use the prefer maximum performance setting, you click on program settings, you go to a game that you play on, for example Fortnite right here, you scroll down and then you can change your power management mode to prefer maximum performance. If you don't see your game in the list, then you can click on add and your game should be here. This is the application for Minecraft. I just click on add selected program and then change my settings from there. While we're still in the control panel, click on change resolution and make sure your refresh rate is set to the highest. If you use Google Chrome, Discord, or Spotify, you have to turn off hardware acceleration. So in Google, what you have to do is go to the top right, click on the three dots, click on settings. Right here, click on advanced and then click on system. There you'll see the option use hardware acceleration when available. Make sure that is turned off, like completely grayed out. For Discord, go to your user settings, look for advanced, click on it, and then you'll see the option hardware acceleration. Make sure that is off. And don't forget you gotta relaunch in order for it to take effect. I don't have Spotify installed, but here's a screenshot of where that setting is. Next, you want to download TimerResolution. What it does is that it will cut your mouse input lag by half. I'll leave a download link in the description for you to install. And after you install, you just simply click on it and you just click on maximum. Just know that you always have to open the application every time you open a game. The next step is for you to also download something in the description, and that is called Bitsum Power Plan. After you download the folder, make sure this folder is put into your C drive. So what you have to do is just click on your File Explorer, you click on this PC, you click on your C drive, and you just drag this in here. After you move it into your C drive, you can just click on it and there should be another folder, and make sure you drag this folder in your C drive still, right here. Now that you have the folder, you can just click on it and then you click on the batch file. What it does is it'll install the power plan, but if it doesn't work, then you can open Notepad and then copy this command into your command prompt and paste. After you install the power plan, you go to your search, type in choose a power plan, and then you click on it. Once you're over here, there should be a option that says Bitsum Power Plan. So let me just install this very quick. Okay, so I just installed it. When I refresh, it should be right here, Bitsum highest performance. You just click on it, that's it. The last step into this guide is to install the MSI Mode Utility, which I'll put the download link in the description. So after you download it, you right click it and you click on run as administrator. Make sure you click on yes and you find your graphics card. I'm using the GTX 1660 Super. And if you see MSI mode on your graphics card turned off, make sure it's turned on. What it does is that it reduces driver latency, which meaning turning this on should make your game more responsive. Do not touch any other devices. They're highly risky and you might break your computer. And that's pretty much it. One secret trick for laptop users: if your laptop has a dedicated GPU like an Nvidia or Radeon, you can connect your laptop display to an external monitor and it will boost your frames by a lot. If you want to know more, then click on the card on the top right. That will be the end of the video. If your FPS has gotten improved, please hit the like button, and if it has gotten worse, then don't worry, you can always revert back easily. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.